Today I'm gonna change the background of this photo into this with Snapseed app. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I am starting with the Snapseed app. Select a random photo which is in green color. Go to tools, select lens blur and keep blur strength up to +100. Then go to tools again, select double exposure and select a photo which you need to edit and adjust your photo. Okay, I have adjusted the photo. Then go to undo option and select view and edits and go to double exposure. By keeping double exposure 0, erase the original image so you will get the background image. Okay, now I'm forwarding the video so your time will be saved. Okay, after it will look like this. Everything is done now. Click on right arrow mark and go back. Go to tools, select crop option and crop the unwanted image. Okay, this is enough now. Again go to tune image, select shadows and keep shadows up to -20 and little brightness. I'm comparing the brightness whether it looks good or not. Okay, +15 is enough. Okay, next go to tools and select text. I'm adding my Instagram page name at DJ Photography 23. You can also follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Okay, everything is done. Go to export and save your photo. Thank you for watching this video.